Hey guys, in today's world, when it comes to personal branding, one of the major thing we need is a custom domain name. And people generally go with third parties like GoDaddy or Namespace and multiple places. But if your dream is to work in a cloud native organization, then the best place to register your domain is at the cloud itself. And do you know AWS provide one of the service called Route53 registry where you can get your domain name registered more of a similar cost price which is available in the outside market as well. In this video I will walk you through how we can get a custom domain name enrolled via AWS. Log into your AWS console and go for the Route 53 service. And so people believe that Route 53 is mostly just for a DNS handling service, but if you look down at the here, you can also go and register a custom domain. So all we need to do is register domains, and you can check for availability. So here I'm going to look for the domain name evidai.com and see if it's available. And you see it's available, and it's going to cost me around like $13 US. You can also go for other options which is suggested in case if you think it's too pricey or so, then you can look for it. And the domain name pricing, it's going to vary based on the top level you're going to choose. So you can go price with different top level domains, a list of category like what top level domain is what pricing. So .com we have seen it's $13. It's like there are like n number of top level domains supported by the Route 53 itself, which we can use it to get our domain registered. So let's check for IO, like how much it's going to cost. Oh, the IO is like $71. You know, most of the startup companies goes with IO, so the pricing is like bit high. Anyway, for our use case, let's go with .com itself, evidai.com, and I'm going to select it and proceed to checkout. So you see for how long I want to go with. So if I go with 1 year, it's $13. So it's like per year it's going to be $13, and you can give auto renew so that each year it can get your domain auto renewed. So go for next. It's for whom? It's for a person, company, association. So since I'm enrolling for myself, I'm going with person. You would need to give the basic details of your phone number, address, and over here, and let's go for next. So again it shows you the value, and do you want to manage your DNS within the Route 53 or where you want to go for it? So that's those details you would give. So I will manage it here itself because for each host zone a separate pricing will come into picture. I will walk you through about that. So you just give registered, and so now the request to register domain in progress. You will receive a registration status email for each domain. So now it's like going forward it's going to register. So since I already registered for the another domain techpitch.com, the process is a bit quicker, but in generic you would get an email and for getting it verified, and it will let you process through it. If you go to the registered domains, you would still see the domain name is not reflecting over here. So you can see the status of the registered domain name by navigating to request, and you would be seeing what exactly is pending for to do. So the action required says navigate to the billing console and get the verified payment done. So if I go for the billing section under payment, you see the payments due, and it talks about November 11th, and we can even get the invoice open, and we would need to pay. So $13, they are translating it into 1,278, and let's do the complete payment over here. And I can use net banking here. I can choose the bank name and the billing address and add payment. So once we've gone through the payment process, we can go to the request status here, and the domain name which we registered would change from action required to in progress, and after a few minutes it would change to successful. So the entire process it took me to purchase an entire domain called evidai.com, it's around 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so hope this video helpful for you. See you in the next video where we'll be hosting our own website with a custom domain name. Until then, tada from Vasan.